friends! Today we're going to be learning about representing numbers, decompositions as 10 ones and some ones to find a hidden part. So for this lesson, we're going to have some key vocabulary that will help us learn our skills. So decomposition, or decompose, breaking a teen number into smaller parts. A number bond, a diagram showing the whole into parts that equal the whole. So our whole is going to be the top number. For example, 5 plus 5 equals 10. So 10 is our whole number. Then we have two parts that are going to equal each other. So when we add 5 plus 5, it is going to give us 10. And the total slash sum is the answer to a problem. So sum is going to be the answer for our addition problem. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. Hidden part slash hidden number, the missing part of a teen number that the students must figure out. So our example equation is going to be 10 plus blank equals 15. So for our whole, we're going to have 15 and then two parts. So for two parts, we're going to have 10 plus blank. So we know that we have 10. And then we're going to count up to 15 to figure out this number. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 to get us our sum of 15. Our next problem is 8 plus blank equals 18. So we know as our sum, or our total, is going to equal 18. So we have 18 as our whole, and then we're going to figure out our two parts, or one part, because we are given this part right here, 8 plus blank equals 18. So we can use our base 10 maths to figure out 18. So we can lay out 18 blocks right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So what we can do is we can take 18 minus 8 to figure out this other number. So 8 minus 8 equals 0. And we can drop down this other number to give us 1. So our missing number is 10. Or we can think about it this way. We can think, oh, we have 8 blocks. Okay, we have this number is 8. And we can put 8 dots onto our placemat. We can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we can try and count up to 18 to figure out this other number that we need. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 to get this number of 18. So for our equation, 1 plus blank equals 11. So we know as our whole, our sum of this equation, 1 plus blank equals 11. Our whole is 11. One part we know, the other one is unknown. So we have to figure out what this is. So we have this 1 and we have 11. So we can put this down on our number line that we know this is 1 and this is 11. So we're going to do whatever we need to do. We can do hopping or whatever method we like to get to 11. So we're going to count how many jumps we have to get to 11. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we can write 10 as our missing number. So we could do 11 minus 1. So we know 1 minus 1 equals 0. Since there's nothing here, we can subtract it. There's nothing to subtract there. So we can bring down that 1 as our 10 to give us our answer of 1 plus 10 equals 11. Hi, thank you for watching. I hope you guys have learned something. Have a great rest of your day.